You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Irish mythology. If you want to learn more confusing Irish pronunciations and Irish names, make sure to stay tuned. You can skip until the end of the video. It was the war goddess, the goddess of war in Irish mythology. It's also a word now in Irish meaning crow. Crow. And in Irish this is pronounced as Bav. Yes, the DB at the end, it's Irish, is pronounced as Gaelic, Irish Gaelic. It's pronounced like a V, okay, so you could spell it B-A-V, Bav, Bav, the goddess of war. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.